Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be showing you how to install an MTS off-road limit strap kit on your Polaris Expedition. The tools needed will be shown on the screen. First things first, you need to jack the car up to get the tires off the ground. Next thing you need to do is remove the lower shock bolt and the upper shock bolt. Then grab the supplied hardware. Install the washer, the strap, supplied spacer, and reinstall your upper shock bolt. Then repeat this step for the lower. Jack the car up, put tension on the strap, and tighten your bolts. Put on your provided Velcro strap to prevent the strap from rubbing the tire. For the rear, we will only be removing the lower shock bolt, not the upper. Jack the car up to get the tires off the ground. There is a hole located on the upper part of the frame by the exhaust that will be installing the upper strap bolt. Remove your lower shock bolt. Save this as you will need it to reinstall your strap. Install the strap on the lower shock bolt, jack the car up for tension, and tighten the bolts. Use the supplied bungee wrapped around the spring and hook it to itself around the strap to prevent the strap from touching your exhaust. Lower the car, and you guys are ready to rock.